Hey guys, it's M2 Outdoors, and today we are out on the lake, and the water's just starting to warm up. It's about around 40 degrees, and we're gonna try to catch some early spring bass here in Michigan.
Okay guys, and after we start going fishing for some bass, we're gonna show you our top 5 spring baits, and then we're also gonna show you what they look like underwater.
Alright guys, hope you guys enjoy the video. We'll get right into it. Oh shoot. Alright guys, so we're at the other side of the lake. We just moved from over there. We weren't really catching much over there, so we're gonna see if we can catch anything here. As you can see, I'm just fishing this black and blue jig with a green pumpkin craw on the back as a trailer. Where are you?
On the back side of the big house at the point.
Are you able to fish there?
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
Alright, just keep fishing there and then tell me if you catch anything.
Okay.
Alright, see ya. I'm gonna go farther down and see if I can.
I got one.
Really?
Yep.
Oh yeah. Alright boys, first fish of the day. Matt got it on the crankbait.
Alright guys, so I caught it on the crawfish crankbait scorebill. Here she is.
Nice. Good release.
Nice. Oh yeah.
Fish?
Yes. You know what the pattern is?
What?
The only reason why that fish ate, I was reeling pretty quick. Stop. Let it fall. Reeling pretty quick. Stop.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah. No. Oh, come on.
Alright guys, so the first bait we're going to talk about is the jig. The jig's a very versatile bait. You can use it flipping, you can reel it in, you can jig it in front of fish. It's one of the easiest baits to use because you can use it in any way you can think of. There's a lot of different colors you can use on a jig. In the springtime, we like to use black and blue, green pumpkin, a crawfish type of color jig, PB&J. And then on the back of the jig, put a craw, and you just want to kind of jig it in. And yeah, that's the first bait.
The next bait we're going to be talking about is the chatterbait. The chatterbait has blades on the front that releases vibrations into the water. The retrieve you want on it is you want your rod tip down and you want the bait to go kind of sink a little bit, and then you want to start retrieving it in. The bait colors you can get is like bluegill, shad imitation, green pumpkin, crayfish color, and black and blue.
Alright guys, so the next bait we're going to be talking about is the bandito bug made by Guggen Squad. It's a crayfish, and you can get it in many different colors: green pumpkin, this green and orange color that I have, and black and blue. I put a 1/4 ounce weight on here with a bobber stopper. You can change the area you put on the bobber stopper for a different presentation. And you want to have the hook, when you Texas rig this, inside the bait, so it's completely weedless. You want to throw this around brush, rocky areas, anywhere during spawn that you think those fish will be. So yeah, that's the bandito bug.
Okay guys, the next bait we're going to be revealing is the spinner bait. The spinner bait has two blades right here to not only imitate fish, but they also make vibrations in the water. And when the fish hear those vibrations, they get drawn out of their cover and they come and eat it. The spinner bait comes in many different colors. You can get it in a shad color, a bluegill color, a crayfish color, and a black and blue. I highly recommend this bait for covering lots of water, and overall it's a very good bait to throw.
Alright guys, the last bait we're going to talk about is the square bill crankbait. The square bill crankbait starts off at the surface, and as you reel in it goes down to a certain depth. These depths can range from medium, shallow, and deep. Use a crankbait to cover a lot of water as fast as you can, and you want to bump them off of brush, rocks as you go. When you reel it in, it has a little shaky motion side to side, which gets the fish's attention. So yeah, that's the crankbait. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys all enjoyed. Go like and subscribe, comment down below, and yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video.